In this video, let's see how we can install PostgreSQL database in a Windows machine. Okay, so I am on my Google search page. I will search for Postgres download and I will open this first link, that is postgresql.org. Okay, once it is open, you need to select your operating system. I will select Windows from here, and here I need to select this download the installer. And then I can select the version which I want. So I will go with the latest one, and I want to get it for the Windows 86 64-bit. So I will select this and click on this icon, and my download has started right here. So let's wait for this to complete. Download has been completed and I have this .exe file on my system. So I will open my downloads folder and I will double click on this .exe file. Okay, so the installation wizard has started. Now let's see what are the options we will get. So this is the first window. I will click on next here. So this is the path where it will install the PostgreSQL database. So I will keep it as default and click on next here. And these are the components that it will install. So it will install this PostgreSQL server, pgAdmin, that is kind of our UI tool. Using that we can create and manage our database, and it will also install stack builder and command line tools. So let's check everything and click on next. And again, it will give the data directory where it will store the actual data of the database. So I will keep this directory also as default and click on next. And it will ask me the password for the super user. So that is kind of your admin user. So you can provide a strong password here. After doing that, you can click on next. And this is the port on which your PostgreSQL server will be listening. So you can change this port here or you can keep it default. I will be keeping it default and I will be clicking on next here. I will keep it as default and click on next, and I will click on next again, and I will click on next again. So it has started the download process. So let's wait for this to complete. Okay, installation has been completed. Now it is asking me if you want to launch the stack builder. Let's uncheck this and click on finish. Now let's go to start menu and search for pgAdmin. So I have this pgAdmin app here. Let me open this. Okay, once the pgAdmin tool has opened, let's maximize this. And here you can see this is your dashboard. And here on the left hand side, you can see the object explorer. Here you can see the servers. Let's expand this. And it is asking me the password. So let's try to give the password which we have given while installing this software. Let me click OK here. And I'm connected to my database. And if you see here, like we have this databases section here. Let's expand this. And here I can see we have schemas. Let's expand the schema section also. And we have public schema and we have the tables folder also, right? And tables are currently empty because we don't have any tables inside our public schema. So let's do one thing. Let's right click on our server, that is PostgreSQL. And here we can say create database. So we can create our own database. Let me provide a name demo and let's click on save. Once that is done, you can see we have these schemas and tables. So you can right click here and click on create and click on table, and you can provide your table name, columns, and whatever you want to provide, right? You can provide it here and start creating table and start inserting data in PostgreSQL database. So that's it for this video. In this video, we have seen how we can install PostgreSQL database on a Windows machine.